Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix this 0xc00007b error. So here you see I've got this error when I try to play this game. It normally comes when you play the games or any application. So let's see how to fix it. It works for any game or application. Just go to the link in the description and download this file. I've already done it, so I'm not going to download it. It's a zip file, so you have to extract it first. You have, after extraction, you got these three files. You have to open this svc pack. Just run this file aio runtimes. It's gonna take some time, so I'm gonna pause it. There you go. You have all these softwares which you have to install, but I'm not gonna install all this because this error only needs runtime, as in this file, runtime file, and Microsoft DirectX redistributable and DirectX from managed code. So I'm gonna unmark the others and now install these three. So now it's done, and let's check for the game. So there you go, I have my game running. I have that error fixed. So if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Thank you.